Hello guys, welcome my channel. We learn and today I'm gonna tell you a basic of Excel. So, are you ready? I'm not. A second. So the first things we're gonna discuss is what is a cell. Okay, what is a cell? Well, the rectangular box that you can see, which is getting highlighted over here, it is used to enter or store a value. Well, I'm storing the numeric. You can store the numeric in alphabet. Okay, so you can store numeric or alphabet. So this is a cell. Basically, this is a cell which is getting highlighted. Also, it has a reference address. Every cell has a unique address. I'm going to show you. This is a cell and the address is E3. You can see E is highlighted and 3 is highlighted over here. So the address is E3. Okay, while I click on there, the address H is highlighted and 3 is highlighted here. So the address will be H3. Alright, so next we come, what is a column? Okay, you can see the vertical stack. This is called a column. Okay, you can select the column, multiple column as well. All right, like E, F, G, H, I, J. This vertical stack is column. You can select the multiple column as well. With the shift and the mouse, press the mouse and press the shift key, you can select the multiple column as well.